Hey, let's go over the controls of this Kubota Bx23 loader backhoe. It's a good machine, plenty of power. If I miss anything, there's a owner's manual back here. All right, first of all, it starts like a car. Just turn, start. After you start it, you want to run it about 3,000 RPMs. This is a hydrostatic drive, so you control your speed by how hard you press forward on the pedal, not by how fast the motor's turning. So you got to keep those RPMs up. Okay, when you're working, you're going to keep it down in the turtle here for the speed. Put it up to the rabbit when you're working on a street or you want to go fast for some reason, but you get lots more power in turtle mode. This is the four-wheel drive. In order to get it into four-wheel drive, just push this lever down. Now you might have to help the gears mesh by just slightly pushing on this pedal, very slightly, while you're pushing down on that. That'll help the gears mesh into four-wheel drive. But most of the time you'll just keep it in two-wheel drive. This is your loader control. Very intuitive. Up, down, curl, uncurl. This lever here, you don't need. This is for diesel fuel. And let's move along to the other side. All these extra little levers in here, just don't touch any of that stuff. You don't need that. And coming to the other side. Okay, not parking brake. No, this is a parking brake, but this is brake, and that locks the brake into place. That button right there on the floor locks it into place. You usually don't need that. Cup holder here, phone charger in there. PTO levers, don't touch those. You don't need these. You don't use this either. This is a differential lock. If you're stuck in the mud, press that and it'll lock the differential, help you get out. Roll bar. This roll bar absolutely will not fit into a standard residential garage. So what you do is you pull these pins out and the whole roll bar will fold back, and then you can get it into a garage. All right, let me show you how to flip the seat around to use the backhoe. Oops. I'm not editing this. Alright, let me show you how to flip the seat around. A bit tricky. There's a lever here that says pull up. Pull up on the lever. Spin the seat around. And push it forward and down until it locks into place. And reverse the procedure to get it back in the tracked mode. Alright, there's a couple pins here. A pin there that locks left, right, locks up and down. Those are for travel. You're going to want to pull those out in order to operate the backhoe, but leave them in when you're just using the front loader or just driving. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump in the machine. I'm going to start it up. Put the stabilizers down, put the front bucket down, show you how to operate a little bit, and then that should pretty much be it. I do want to stress enough that you absolutely must turn the machine off before you get on or off the machine. The key's right here. throttle controls here, drop it down to low RPMs, but you must do that every single time. It's very important that you do. It's very dangerous to try to get on here without knocking into those sticks, and it almost can't be done, and it is just going to be dangerous. So it's a bit of a reach, but you can do it. We'll get you up on a tripod here. All right, looks good. All right, jump on. If you've never operated before, the basic thing you want to do for operating to get the stick and the boom out, you're really just going to basically push the sticks forward and work the bucket at the same time. Both sticks forward will set the boom and the stick out. It'll take some feathering to get it right. And then to dig, you just pull the stick straight back. And again, you're going to have to feather with the bucket and work the pressures and stuff. But again, make sure you stop the machine before you get out. Alright, I think that's it. Alright, good luck with your project.